Hi, my name is Charmaine Vega and I'm here to show you how to make a barbecue basting spray for chicken. The reason I'm going to do this is because this actually helps your meat to stay moist and it prevents it from burning, as well as the ingredients that I have in this particular one. It's going to keep the glycemic index lower, as well as it's going to give you the added flavor that you would need for your meats. The first thing I used was 1 cup of apple juice. Then I used a half cup of Grand Marnier. Then I used a half a cup of molasses. Next, I used 2 tablespoons of Mama Vega Hillbilly's barbecue rub. Then I put 2 teaspoons of cayenne. And finally, I added 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Finally, you have all of your ingredients in the spray bottle. You then shake it, and now it's all ready to go and ready for the grill or your oven, stovetop, whatever. It's going to add wonderful flavor and moisture to your meats. As Mama Vega always says, chew on this.